Hey everyone, welcome back to the Software Guy. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform your Windows taskbar with a powerful tool called TaskbarX. It's free, open source, and lets you customize your taskbar like a pro. I'll guide you through setting it up and show you some amazing features to give your desktop a fresh look. Let's start with downloading TaskbarX. Head to the link in the description, which will take you to the GitHub page where it's free to download. Scroll down to the Releases section and grab the latest version. TaskbarX is also available on the Microsoft Store for a small fee, which supports the developer. Once you've downloaded TaskbarX, unzip the file and open the TaskbarX application. Right away, you'll notice that your taskbar icons shift to the center, giving it a sleek new look. It's that simple to get started. Now, to fully customize the taskbar, open the TaskbarX configurator. This tool lets you adjust everything from animation effects to transparency and color. Let's go over some of the main settings. In the Style section, you can change the look and feel of your taskbar. You've got options for transparent, gradient, opaque, blur, and even an acrylic style, though this one might flicker on some systems. You can also adjust the opacity levels for the primary and secondary taskbars separately for a unique look. Want rounded corners on your taskbar? Adjust the corner radius here, or tweak the red, green, and blue sliders to set a custom color. The alpha slider controls the transparency, perfect for achieving just the right amount of visibility for your taskbar. As you can see, TaskbarX offers a ton of customization options to give your taskbar a fresh, modern look. There are even more advanced features and tweaks we haven't covered yet, but that's it for today's video. If you're interested in a deeper dive into all that TaskbarX can do, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.